With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is Rants and Raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K. I'm excited to have a special guest with me today, Charlie Montoya, who is the VP of Sales and Marketing at Aver. Hey Charlie, how are you?
Hey, doing great, Gary. Thanks for having us today.
You guys are on a tear when it comes to new products, and obviously with the UCC market being as big as it has been, really UCC is no longer meeting rooms, right? I mean, all of us are living in a UCC environment because we're having to work from home. UCC's become something our next door neighbors knows what it means. Most of them, they might not describe it that way, but they're using it every day. Our kids are using it. It's in schools. So obviously Aver is really well positioned to take advantage of this growth opportunity. And you've come out with two products with remarkably similar names, but different applications, the CAM 130 and the VB 130. Let's start with the CAM 130. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so the CAM 130 is our first enterprise webcam designed for those power users that need the best quality video for the work from home application. What we wanted to do is design a camera that not only gave you great video quality and good audio quality, but we also noticed the one thing that everybody's missing at the work from home is lighting, right? So we actually built in the lighting in the camera. And the great part about the lighting is it adjusts based on the lighting that you have in the room. So the darker your room is, the brighter will it get. The lighter your room gets, the dimmer the light will go. So it always is checking to make sure you are having the best quality video possible.
Yeah, so I have a television that does that. At night, it gets dimmer because my lights are off, and in the daytime, it's brighter. So it's using that same kind of technology. It's some sort of light sensing technology, and it knows when you need light versus when you don't need light. What about color temperature? Can you set it to change the color temperature as well?
Yeah, so not only do you have the ability to change the brightness of the lighting, but you also have the ability to change the temperature of the lighting as well. So we always want to make sure that our end users are getting the best quality video and are being seen in the best light possible. So we wanted to make sure that you had a wide variety of different applications that you could change the lighting for.
And obviously this is a desktop cam, so is it obviously USB and it's USB-C, just plug it in and it works and it's compatible with Zoom and Teams and all those?
Like all Aver products, everything we do is plug and play. So USB-C, plug in, and you're ready to go. You don't need to download any additional software to get started. It will be Zoom and Teams certified here shortly.
Okay, so that's the CAM 130, but then you use the same numbers, 130, to describe the VB 130. And what is the VB 130?
So the VB 130 is our video bar, right? Once again, our name nomenclature, VB, video bar. The 130 is the exact same lens and camera that's inside of it. What we've done is taken that camera, added a bigger speaker to it. So there's actually 5 speakers in it and 5 microphone arrays. And we've also included the lighting to it as well. This is designed for those people that might have a larger work from home office. They don't want to just put it on their laptop. They want to actually hang it on a wall, an executive office, or a small huddle room. It's really designed for those little bit larger rooms that fall into that 2 to 3, 4 person category. It also gives you a 120 degree field of view or a 90 degree field of view. We let you pick and choose exactly what you need for that camera lens.
Okay, and is it connected USB just like the CAM 130?
Just like the CAM 130. Once again, everything we do, we want to make it plug and play simple. So USB plug and play, ready to go right out of the box.
Is it certified yet for any of the UCC's platforms, or is it still waiting certification?
So it's going through the certification process. Everything should be certified in the next 2 to 3 weeks at the most.
I love the lighting bar around it, the fact that you can change color temperatures, the fact that it gives you more lighting. Let me ask you a weird question. Is it possible to light one side but not the other side? Let's say you're sitting next to a window. You have a light coming in a lot on one side. Can you eliminate the light on the other side? Is that possible? Have you thought about that? Had anybody have that request?
So not as of yet, right? Because right now, if you look at the CAM 130, the small size of it, the small form factor, it's really designed for 1, maybe 2 people at the most. Where we'd be looking at kind of light in those larger rooms would be something that we might be coming out later on down the road for some of those small, medium conference rooms. Right now, we're trying to keep it more on a small scale. So we don't expect to have that overabundance of lighting on one side as compared to the other.
Yeah, and this is meant to go on top of a monitor, just like we're seeing here, where you're basically just replacing the the camera that may have been built in your laptop, or maybe you went and rushed out and bought a camera a year ago. This is an upgrade to that.
And we've all seen it, right? Anytime that you watch any of the market news on TV and you see the CEOs and they look almost like they're in a dungeon, it's so dark in there, right? It's because they have a lack of lighting. That's why we've added the lighting to the webcams, right? We want to make sure that people are seen. The goal of video conferencing is to make you look professional, make you look good, and make people be able to see and interpret everything that you're saying. That's what adding the lighting does for it. It's been that missing component for the longest time, especially in the work from home, especially in the huddle room applications. So that's what we're really trying to change with these products.
Well, again, all of these products are available at Aver, and you can see them at averusa.com, averusa.com. Click on products. You'll see all the products there. In fact, the Cam 130 is featured on the homepage of that section of the website. Charlie, thank you very much for joining me today. Congratulations on these two products. I'm waiting for my Cam 130. I've been told that I'm going to have one to test out and play around with. I'll let you know how it goes when I get it. Charlie, have a great day.
We're going to get you both of them, trust me.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for joining us.
Take care.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.